You hungry? Let's make a snack. Oversalt the water. And be sure to undercook the pasta. Start by adding in a little bit of olive oil along with a half a stick of butter. Once your butter is melted, I'm gonna add in a few little shallots and some bell pepper. And then a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Add in a little bit of whiskey. Add some fresh squeezed lemon juice, and you know it don't even matter who squirrels you. Put in a little bit of garlic. And then let's season it with a little bit of herbs de Provence or Italian seasoning, a little bit of dry fennel, a little bit of garlic powder, and a little bit of onion powder. For some personality, a little bit of red pepper flake, our shrimp. Let's add in some pasta, some Parmesan cheese, and some parsley. This gets one big toss. Now, of course, all you gotta do is bow your head and say grace. Grace. Oh my God. Oh my Lord.